In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with an Unbounce landing page. By the end, your new leads will flow straight from your Unbounce form into your Mailchimp audience, ready for automated emails and campaigns. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Unbounce. This helps you land on the official site quickly, even if you don't have the URL bookmarked. Look for the official Unbounce result in your search, then click through to the home page. Once you're there, log into your Unbounce account. Use the workspace that contains the landing page you want to connect. If you manage multiple clients or brands, double-check the workspace selection so you don't accidentally connect the wrong page. Inside Unbounce, head to the left-hand menu and select Integration. This is your control center for connecting Unbounce with other tools. In the Integrations area, use the search bar to look up Mailchimp. Searching keeps things simple and avoids scrolling through a long list of apps. When Mailchimp appears, select a landing page to apply the integration to. Pick the specific page where your form submissions should be sent to Mailchimp. Then choose the option to select and continue with Zapier. Zapier is the secure bridge that passes the form data from Unbounce to your Mailchimp account without any code. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. You may be asked to sign into Zapier and Mailchimp, and to grant access so the tools can talk to each other. If a pop-up is blocked by your browser, allow it so the authorization window can open. During this setup, you'll typically choose which Mailchimp audience should receive new contacts and map Unbounce form fields, like first name, last name, and email, to the matching fields in Mailchimp. Take a moment to align fields carefully, and, if offered, confirm any preferences such as opt-in settings or tags that help you organize your subscribers from this specific page. After you complete the prompts, Unbounce will confirm the connection. You'll see a notification letting you know the integration is successful. That message is your green light that new form entries from the selected page will be sent to your Mailchimp audience automatically. That's it. You opened Unbounce, logged in, found the integration section, searched for Mailchimp, selected your landing page, continued with Zapier, and authorized the connection. With this setup in place, every new lead captured on your Unbounce page can smoothly flow into Mailchimp, helping you follow up faster and keep your audience organized.